In a recent tips and tricks video, I showed how to use the clipping option in the mirror modifier. Because I didn't use it in the beginning of this, we have some problems along the tail and then some up along the neck. So I'm going to select that vertex, and I'm going to hold down Control and Shift and select all the way to the end. I'm going to pull these apart a little bit. I'm going to turn on clipping and then move them back to the center. And then you see that fixes all that. Now if we move up here to the neck, if we pull these apart, we have to turn clipping off. Pull these apart and you're going to see that there's a rogue face in there. And that's what's causing the artifact up here. So if we switch over to that, right click, and then delete that face, now what we can do is turn our clipping back on. Then we can select each one of our vertices and we can pull them back to the center. And now what you'll see is that that artifact is gone. And the rest of it looks okay. So I just wanted to show how to fix the mirror line seam real quick. Thanks for watching.